Welcome to the Speridian Advantage video podcast. I'm Greg Turner, your host and Senior Director of Speridian's Innovation and Strategy Center of Excellence. Today, we're going to discuss field service solutions. And with me today is Anthony Mas, Vice President of Oracle Field Services Cloud and an expert at transforming customer experiences in the cloud. Welcome to the program, Anthony.
Hey, thanks, Greg. It's really an honor to be here.
So, Anthony, I like to dive right in and, not waste a lot of time on this podcast with a lot of unnecessary pleasantries, but no, it's great to have you. But let's really get into field service. It's a whole lot more than just sending out a repair technician, right?
Well, field service still requires sending out a repair technician. However, companies today are leveraging a variety of strategies and technologies to minimize the number of truck rolls, as well as improve their ability to increase their first-time fix rates when a field service visit is required. In some cases, field service visits are avoided altogether through IoT-driven remote diagnostics and repair, or through customer self-service, which is now being aided by remote support, augmented reality, and even real-time knowledge. While deflecting a field service visit significantly reduces a customer's cost to serve, in many cases, field service visits are just simply unavoidable. These same collaborative technologies are being used in the field and are contributing to increased first-time fix rates among the newer and far less experienced field technicians. There's also other trends in the industry that are forcing companies to rethink how they leverage their field workforce and drive increased profitability. Emerging business models like product as a service and outcome-based services are driving manufacturers to focus on customer experiences and predictive maintenance in order to increase their renewal rates and also decrease the equipment downtime. 50% of all manufacturers will offer some sort of outcome-based service model by 2025. Their success will be dependent upon their ability to shift from providing a great product to really providing exceptional customer experiences. Companies are also converting their field service organizations from cost centers to revenue centers by monetizing their field workforce. 5 to 10% of all field service visits can result in an upsell or cross-sell opportunity, removing the friction during the on-site selling experience through just-in-time enablement, next best offers tied to van stock inventory, and simple quoting and commerce tools will increase the customer's top-line revenue. Across the board, customers' field service workforces are increasingly becoming the face and the lifeblood of their businesses.
That's amazing, Anthony. And you really gave us a lot of information there. I especially liked hearing the information about, with IoT technology, you don't even have to send out the repair technician in some cases. And also the fact that 50% of all manufacturers will have to offer some outcome-based service models in the near future. And I really think it's really tied to customer interaction. There's a lot that's been done in business schools and studies in terms of every customer interaction generates a revenue opportunity for an organization. And so, enhancing, optimizing those customer interactions and creating, this field service automation platform really does create that upsell, cross-sell opportunity for companies. So really, excellent job with that first question, and thank you so much. Now, let's talk a little bit about, the Oracle platform and what Oracle can do. And Oracle provides solutions regardless of whether it's a repair technician, the field service model, or its new age workforce monetization. So maybe you can share a little bit more about how Oracle can help customers on their change journey.
Great question. Look, in today's experience economy, customers are dictating how they want to engage with your brand, simply put. And most customers are influenced by their consumer experiences today, like Uber, Airbnb, and Amazon. Businesses need to consider how they can personalize each interaction in the journey, from discovering and engaging your customers to consuming and servicing them. The key lies with the data. Whether you're in accounting, sales, service desk, or even in the field, having real-time access to front and back office customer and product data is critical to serving the customer and creating an exceptional customer experience. Like I said, the key lies with the data. So Oracle provides a single set of master data, including customer, product, asset, and order data, which connects the front and back office through a set of pre-built service workflows. Whether you provide general service, break fix, maintenance, or even depot repair, Oracle's end-to-end service solutions has you covered. Oracle makes it easy to leverage IoT to monitor and track your assets and maintenance, drive omni-channel service requests, manage subscription contracts with warranties and entitlements, schedule and route your field service technicians while ensuring available parts, capturing those cross-sell and upsell opportunities in the field, and also debriefing for a seamless billing process back to the customer. Oracle's end-to-end service solutions takes the headache out of driving a more profitable and more efficient service business.
That's impressive. Thank you, Anthony. And the service models I think are very important. And I've seen other players in this space offer service models with field service automation. What are some of the key differentiators for Oracle?
Well, Oracle has a significant key differentiator, and it really is all about helping field service organizations drastically improve the efficiency as well as quality of the service using our time-based, predictive, and self-learning capabilities, which are patented. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is nothing new to us. We've been doing it for more than 14 years, and we still remain the best in the business when it comes to automation and routing of your resources in the field.
And that's impressive. 14 plus years with artificial intelligence and machine learning. We've all heard about the promise of that, and so this is the promise come to fruition through Oracle Field Service. Anthony, kind of the last question, and I really force this upon all my guests, is what are the 3 takeaways that you want to share with the audience?
Well, look, the 3 takeaways for this session really are: 1, creating exceptional customer experiences is everyone's responsibility, and it requires access to real-time back and front office data. Oracle's the only vendor supplying these end-to-end service workflows 100% in the cloud. Number 2, leverage the knowledge and experience of our incredible partner ecosystems, just like Speridian, to help guide you on your service journey and manage the internal change required throughout your organization to adapt to these new service models. And finally, establish measurable outcomes for your project success and revisit your solution design and deployment often to ensure you're maximizing solution benefits as the needs of your business continue to evolve.
That's excellent. And those are great takeaways. And I think with the combination of Oracle and Speridian, your field service automation doesn't have to be a field of dreams. We can build it, and it will come, and you will be successful with your customer interaction. This session was outstanding, Anthony, and thank you for being our guest.
Hey, you're welcome. It's really been my pleasure. Thank you.
And thank you to our audience. We hope you've enjoyed this episode of the Speridian Advantage video podcast. For more information about the solutions we have discussed here today, or to become a guest on an upcoming podcast, please contact us at info@speridian.com. Thank you.